Maybe it's dead. Good morning, and by morning I mean 1 in the afternoon. I just wrapped up filming for the day. This morning I went to the gym and then we came home and I got a lot of good reading done. I'm working my way through that tandem read and I'm actually really enjoying reading both books at once. The post that I found, I'll put it here. It's like a guide to the tandem read to go back and forth. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be. I'm really enjoying it, but my house is a mess. It is just a disaster. I look at this. This is all of the, I was just swept it over there because I didn't want to look at it last night. All of the like remnants of the project that I just finished, and it just is, it needs to be dealt with. I have so much laundry to do, and just like, even in here, it just like, nothing is cleaned up. Everything is just kind of out. When I get into a project and I'm like struggling with it, like I did with these pants, my whole brain gets dedicated to that. So I find it hard to like do anything else. So now that that project's wrapped up, I'm gonna do some chores because that will make me feel good. And then probably cook some dinner. That feels good. Probably get some dinner ready and read. I have so much of the tandem read to do. Like, it's kind of a daunting task. So get that done, do my computer work tomorrow. It will be good.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could afford?
Oh, hi. I'm gonna make the bed. Is that okay? Sweet boy. I don't want to disturb you, but I gotta make the bed. Is that okay? Oh, little potato. Oh, come on, burnt chicken nugget. You can go over here. Little burnt chicken nugget. Sweet boy. I'm sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. This house is in order. It's in enough order that I feel okay relaxing for the rest of the day. I'm actually going to do one last chore, and that is hop in the shower. Oh, look how nice it is. It's so much nicer. Oh, little babies. Okay, I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna call it a day. It seems like a really wonderful Thursday to me. I feel very accomplished and very settled, and I'm gonna read so much of my book. I'm so excited. Because today's a special day. Will my camera stay? It's staying. Hi, it's Friday, and today is a weird day. I am going to get some tattoos, and that's very exciting. I'm getting my like cat tribute tattoos. I'm getting a tattoo for each of them today, and that's very exciting to me. We've been going to the same tattoo artist for a very long time. She's done a bunch of my tattoos. She's done a bunch of Jordan's, so I'm very excited to go see her, and that just means like my whole day's been thrown off. So I'm just excited. I'm gonna drink my little protein milk, and it's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Are you excited for me?
I want more tattoos.
You can't just be excited for me.
I'm excited for you.
Uh-huh. And now it just makes you want more. Okay, sure.
Love you.
Love you. This part for me. Like having all of it like play out. Oh, that one's so cute. I love the little shell. Oh, I love the bat. Okay.
My weight came down
Okay.
and I would have fallen flat, but because I was like this, it was just my left butt cheek that took the fall. So my left butt cheek hurts a lot.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry your butt cheek hurts.
I'll pay.
Are you okay?
No.
Are you gonna survive this?
Emotionally.
Do I need to put you in a home?
Yeah.
Okay, get you a chair.
Yeah, I want to be killed.
Old Yeller.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that for you.
Yeah, I want to be out back.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can do that. I got my tattoos. they're not this big. They're little. You saw them when we printed them out. But they're here. They're ready. I'm turn my window up. And I got myself a PSL as a treat because I needed a little pick-me-up. Now I'm gonna go home and rest because that's what you do after you get a tattoo. You go home and you go to bed, right? That's what you do. That's what we're gonna do. This was so fun. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. Excuse the pimple patch. I'm on a new retinol, which means that I'm breaking out. But we are actually headed to Jordan's store this morning just to like clear up some like admin things. He was gonna go by himself and I said, I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna take the opportunity to read and maybe do a couple chores at the store. I don't know. I love cleaning that place. It brings me so much joy and happiness. It's like cleaning somebody else's house. Like it's just, I don't know. It brings me a lot of joy and it looks so clean when you're done and then I'm not the one who messes it up. So that's what we're doing today. My tattoos are healing. I'll show you guys later. They look beautiful. And it's just been a lovely day. Oh, my sister moved in yesterday. I helped my sister move yesterday. And it's just been like a whirlwind. So we're just vibing with it. Okay, I'm on a mission. I really want a coffee. Or, I mean, I want a tea. Jordan wants a coffee. So I gotta go to Tim Hortons. How are you?
Good. Can I get a medium pumpkin spice latte? And can I get a medium double? And one of the smoky honey bacon English muffins, please.
Target acquired. All right, friends. It's Monday. Today has been a great day and I had a doctor's appointment this morning. And then after that, I decided to go on my little date and I went downtown and I just had a tea. Honey had a little Ted Lasso shortbread that was delicious and got some chapters into my book. I am working my way through that tandem read and by golly, am I not enjoying it. I'm really enjoying this tandem read. I'm about 50% of the way through. So I'm almost done. So I'll finish these 2 books by the end of the next 2 weeks, which will keep me on track for my 75 hard, which makes me feel good. But I'm gonna end this video now because I'm gonna start the next one. I will see you guys in my next video. I look forward to it. I'm having so much fun, so thank you. And I really hope you enjoy these videos. Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you later. Bye.